Welcome to the Unity Bubble experience. Habits and patterns cover up our true, authentic selves. The bubble can be transmitted to anyone who asks and who is willing and open to receiving it. Negative interferences like habits and behavioral patterns are gently and effectively removed layer by layer, issue by issue, leading to the end of personal suffering. The inside of the Unity Bubble supports only positive alignments. Over 90 infusions are added to increase qualities leading to self-discovery. Among those are trust, patience, humility, self-worth, and vitality, to name just a few. Negative qualities find no support within the bubble, as its outer boundary protects continually against unseen negative outside influences. Your Unity Bubble is with you always and is your very best friend and confidant. Most of all, you can finally feel like home in your body. It will guide you to a life you've only dreamed of living, and so very much more.